Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the language in your Motorola One. To do this operation, go to your settings, security and location, no language on the system here, language, and here you have your language, which we're gonna add the Deutsch option. And put it down. Voila, you have your Deutsch language in your phone. To back for this, just select add the down, and we have English version. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!